Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, if you haven't seen the title already, we are doing a holiday glam look, and it's this look right here. It's very subtle but still glam. The main character obviously here is our lips. If you guys want to know how I got this look right here, then go ahead and keep watching my video. I need to hurry the book up. First, I'm going to go in with the Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Good Molecules. And I'm just applying this because I need some hydration. It's been a long week, a lot going on. I'm just going to apply some serum for that hydration that I need. My skin is super dry. I've been putting benzo on this thing right here. My chin's doing okay. It's just super hyper pigmented because I did break out a while ago. It's just annoying. Now it needs to go away. For moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with Roche Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Again, for that hydration. For this look, I'm thinking of going more of a matte finish for my face. You can go either or. It's a holiday look. If you want more of a glow, use a glowy foundation. When I tell you it's been a long week, my son was in the hospital because he had an asthma attack. Yeah, basically he gets that from me. Started off with a cold. He gave me that cold. Now I'm over here dealing with the same thing. So my voice is kind of like trash right now. So we're gonna let that sit for a second. I'm gonna go in with a MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just gonna spray that there just so everything can stay in place. I upgraded from this really old eyebrow kit. There's still a lot left, so I feel like shit throwing it out, but clearly this is the one I always use. It's most definitely expired. I decided to upgrade it. I decided to get something from MAC because when people ask, what do you have in your brows? I'm gonna say MAC. And I actually really do like this. It's a MAC Pro Brow Definer in the color Spiked. It's a really fine tip eyebrow pencil. You can really just draw in the hairs and they'll look like hairs. And it comes with the spoolie on the other side. So I'm just gonna brush my brows real quick. I heard a lot of mixed things about this, honestly, but I like it. I think people saying that it breaks off easily. I don't think it does. You just need a light hand. I don't know if people are going super like heavy-handed on it, but we're just gonna draw little hair strokes and fill in our brows. I am also getting ready for work today, so I was like, why not film a holiday look and also do a holiday look today because it is December. Yeah, why not? You see that? You see? And then just brush it out and woo! I really love this thing. We're just gonna grab our foundation and a concealer brush, and we're gonna grab a little bit and clean up our brows. This past weekend we did my first MAC event, and I was so nervous, you guys. I was just like shaking the entire time. I filmed a little bit if you guys want to check it out on my TikTok and Instagram, but it was just so much fun. We didn't even get like a break to do anything, or I got a chance to go to the restroom once, but that was because I was on my mi regla. Yeah, like I needed to go to the restroom, like para cambiarme y todo. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't even have gone. I didn't even have time to like drink water or nothing. We worked on skincare, complexion, like the blush and stuff and what to use. That was my coworker's part. Then my part was to create everyday eye look and lip and transform it to a holiday eye look and a holiday lip. It was so much fun. It was a long day for everybody. Our model was the same model for every class. There was 4 classes. So she put on makeup, took it off 4 times. Props to her and her skin because we're just gonna put this foundation all over our lid. We're not gonna do anything crazy for our eyes. We're just gonna create an eyeshadow liner and that's it. So we're just gonna set our eyelids, make sure that everything's pretty much the same color, the complexion is good to go, and then maybe we'll get like this So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Connecting Color eyeshadow palette from MAC in Unfiltered Nudes. It really is like your everyday nude palette that you need, and I'm so glad I got it. We got like 3 in stock, sold 2, and I saw that there was 1 left, and I was like, oh, I'm getting it. Why not? I need it. I needed it. I really did. Okay, I also got a different palette. It's like pinky, like pink shadows. For my everyday, I don't use that. I mean, sometimes I did, but like, I don't know. I like this palette more. We are going to grab this deep brown in that palette. This one is called Sonic Chocolate. So we're just going to grab that. We're going to grab an angled brush. So we are just going to create a small brown liner. And we're only going to create the liner for the outer corners of our eyes. You can do your liner however you want. This is just what's flattering for my eye. I already have like small eyes, and I always want to make the illusion of them looking bigger. With the same brush that we used to clean up our brows, we are just going to do the same thing over here. So that's it for our eye for now. I told you it was very easy because our main focus for this look is going to be our lips. So for primer, I'm going to go in with a Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. Of course, for the holiday look, we want this to last all night. So apply it in all the areas that you feel like you would need it on. Mine is mostly my T-zone. It looks great when you apply it everywhere else too. Foundation I'm using today is the MAC Studio Fix foundation in matte, and I'm using color NC40. I'm really trying out all the foundations at my work. I do like all of them. They're all really good. Like, the coverage is amazing. My favorite one is this one, the matte one, because I feel like it really just doesn't move. It just looks amazing on my skin. If I had to choose a favorite, it would definitely be this one. I'm already not like a glowy person. I don't like how the glowy foundations look on me in general, but I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I do have one foundation from their line, the Radiant one, and it's really good. I just need a lighter shade because that one is too dark on me. For concealer, I'm debating if to go Radiant or matte. We might just do a full matte look. I do like both of these concealers. They work really good. This one, again, I'm just more of a matte person, so I'm gonna go in with this MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over the Face Pen Concealer. It is just amazing, but I do like the Radiant one. But we are gonna go for a matte look today. I'm gonna apply that there. We're gonna apply some right here, and we're gonna blend that out. You really don't need a lot. I put a lot on. I always have a heavy hand with concealer. I don't know why. You don't need a lot. I need to practice that. That's my thing. I always feel like I just want to throw on a shit ton of makeup, and you don't need it. To set this, I'm going to go in with the Studio Fix Pro Set Blur in the color medium, and this is from MAC. I do like it now. Didn't like it at first. I also think I got medium might have been too, it's not too dark, but because I do set it in my under eyes, it's a little bit darker than what I want it to be. I just need to play around with it. I learned to actually love it because it is like, it's my skin tone, but I like it to be lighter. It's okay. I'm gonna just use this up until I don't have any more. Then I'm gonna make sure to get the light one. So now I'm just setting all my creasing where I would usually get creasing. I'm trying not to use my forehead so much for my facial expressions because I am starting to get wrinkles and my facial expressions are a lot, so I just need to be neutral. Not only that, when I use my facial expressions, my makeup moves, especially when I don't set it right away, and I'm always like moving my eyebrows and whatnot. I'm practicing. For contour, I'm going in with the Sephora Make No Mistakes foundation stick in the color Walnut. This is very old. Very old. I just don't even. But yeah, I also have to hurry up and pick my kid up from school, but we're running good on time. We are almost done. Sometimes I go too low for this on my cheekbones, so we'll just grab our foundation brush again and literally just clean it up. Gotta contour my big ass nose. And for under my chin, again, because I don't want harsh lines, I'm just gonna dab the contour stick with my brush and apply some there and really define my jawline, because we don't want our double chin. We don't like our double chin, so I kind of went too low. I'm just gonna clean it up like that. Now we're contoured. We're gonna set our eyes now. We're gonna bake. We really don't want this concealer to move around, which it does a really good job already by itself. The consistency of this concealer is very thick. I just feel like it doesn't move around already, but just setting it to secure it in place with, and then on top of it with the primer that we put on it, I think we'll be set to go. I also tend to crease up right here. Not crease up, but like my foundation likes to transfer and move around, again because of my facial expressions. So I set my nose there too. So we're gonna leave that there for a little bit. We're gonna move on to bronzer. I need to reorganize my entire makeup thing. But okay, for bronzer, I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I need to get more bronzer. I do want to transfer all of my makeup that I do have and just start using MAC products. It's all with its time. Just because like I do like their products. I'm already working for them, so might as well. Then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension MAC highlighter. Actually, no, pause. We're going to go in with blush first. I'm using the MAC Glow Play blush in the color Plush Pepper. That's what it's called. It's a tongue twister. It's a creamy blush, but it's the Plush Pepper is more of like a fall-y color look. I love this for the winter. I also have one that I would use a lot actually. It's kind of similar to the Bare Minerals You Had Me at Merlot. Kind of similar. This one's just a powder and this one, it's a cream blush. I just love this color, like these maroon colors or like burgundy-ish colors for the winter and the fall. We'll see what we transition to in spring and summer. Added our blush. Now we are gonna go in with that MAC highlighter I said, the Whisper of Guilt, and we're really just gonna apply that right here where you see the light reflecting, and it's so pretty. You guys remember in 2016 when we would apply so much highlighter? Oh, look at that. I live in 2016. I love it. I don't care. I don't care what people say. Okay, what else? We're gonna set our face now. Again, going back in with the MAC Studio Fix Pro Set Blur Powder. I'm just gonna set my entire face, kind of like tapping it. I'm gonna go in with my big brush and kind of just set everything in. And we are just going to remove this powder. We're gonna go in with a medium gold mineralizer skin finish powder and just again kind of just set our face with that. We do want that matte finish, but we want a little bit of life and glow into our lives. I am gonna go and continue with my eyes. I do need some lashes. I am gonna go and curl my lashes now. I'm debating maybe I should add like a shimmery gold into my inner corners of my eyes. I might do that. It looks very bland right now for me. We'll just add a little bit of gold into right here. We just need some shimmer. There you go. I think that's just like the kick that it needed. Yes. It's exactly what it needed. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera and then I will be right back. Alright, lashes are on. For mascara, I'm using the MACstack mascara in waterproof. It's the color black. First, apply this on our bottom lashes. I don't know, every time I say I'm gonna do a simple eye, I don't want to do it. Because I want to add like something on my waterline. Not any color or anything. Maybe I'll add some Costa eyeliner just on the outer corners of my eyes, because I just feel like it looks empty. I don't know. I love a good eye look. I don't really like that natural look. That's just me though. See, this might be too much for some people. I do the bottom lashes first just so they can dry and the top lashes won't transfer to my skin after. So if they do transfer, it'll get on my bottom lashes that already have mascara on them. Let's finish putting some mascara on. Lashes are done. Our lip combo for today, we are doing Chestnut Lip Liner, Ruby Woo. We're gonna add a dot of our concealer. I know, work with me. And then top it off with some lip gloss. That's what we are going to do today. So let's align our lips first, right? Now we're going to fill in the corners, and honestly, if you want, you can definitely bring this down a little bit more. Pretty much like this. With the Ruby Woo, we are just going to fill it in. This already is just super cute by itself. We're gonna grab a little bit of concealer. We're gonna put it in the middle of our lips. Like that. Cute, 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 cute. We're gonna top it off with some lip gloss. We're going to grab Costa Riche real quick. We're just going to apply that right here to our outer corners of our lower lash line, just to kind of create some depth and the illusion that our eyes are bigger. Now I'm going to just put some earrings on and fix his hair because it's a mess. But yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday look. It is very natural, subtle. The main character here is our lips. I feel like this is perfect for everybody who's not a super bold makeup person. I mean, it's very subtle, but this makeup still is very glam because of the lips. I hope you guys try this makeup out. If you guys do, don't forget to tag me so I can see your guys' looks. I also did want to mention that our MAC counter does have an Instagram now, so if you guys want to see all the MAC content, I'll list it right here. Also, for the next video, I am going to be doing a New Year's glam look. I think for that one, I am going to be going very bold, very ready to party. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.